Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showcasing and sharing some of these new items from Crown of Coils Beauty Bar. You guys go ahead and I'm probably going to put something with their name and sparkly in this video. Okay, so this is going to be my first time trying their products. So in this box I should have skincare, and then I should also have hair care products. And the main reason I chose to order from this brand is because they are natural. It is a small business. It's black owned. Okay, say less. So let's go ahead and see what we have in this box. Oh, okay. Not a package slip. This is actually like a little letter. It says Crown of Coils Beauty Bar, and then dear, my name. It says thank you so much for supporting Crown of Coils Beauty Bar. Your order truly means a lot. I'm beyond grateful that you chose not only to try our products but also share them with your audience. That kind of support helps small brands like mine shine. I love to hear your honest review once you've had a chance to experience everything. Please feel free to DM me your feedback and any suggestions that you could think of to make our products experience even better. Your insight as a creator means a lot and helps me continue to grow and improve. Thank you again for being part of the Crown of Coils community. I can't wait to see your content and how you bring your unique touch to my brand, to our brand. I can't even finish the rest of this right now. And then it says with gratitude, and then the founder. Stop. I'm trying not to cry right now. This actually means a lot to me, that you gave me your approval to just go ahead and, showcase your brand to my audience. But, and not only that, that I know that, choosing someone to represent your brand, it means a lot. So thank you. And I hope this video does numbers. So let's go ahead and see what all we have. Okay, so I have the facial toner. There you guys go. So this is the skincare. I love how everything's just like wrapped and all cute and stuff. And it even comes with, it said like fragile on here. Where's the, it says fragile on the side where my address is. So we're not going to show you all that part. So detangling mist. I cannot wait to try this. I'm actually going to be taking my braids down today. So I look forward to trying that, because one thing that I do not look forward to is actually detangling my hair. I think this is, huh. Okay, so this is still the skincare. So the Gentle Aloe Facial Cleanser, and then a Glow Renewal Serum. Okay, so that's all the skincare. The rest of the hair care. Okay, so Botanical Crown Conditioner. Okay. Herbal Crown Cleanser, and Root Renewal Scalp Oil. What? It's something else in here. I don't remember ordering all this stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay. Herbal Growth Balm. Did I order all of this? I'm about to take my hair down. You guys are going to come with me on a wash day. And then I am probably just going to do a different video for the facial products. But today we're working on my hair. So let's go take my hair down. Just took my hair down. And I went ahead and used the detangling mist around, just kind of like the more sensitive areas of my hair, just kind of like around the perimeter of my hair, and it works amazing. So now it is time for me to get in the shower and do the wash process. and to show you guys my results. Alright, you guys, so I just finished braiding my hair up. Don't laugh at my braids, okay? My hair is going in a wig, but I am gonna put some more of this balm over around my edges. The Root Renewal Oil. Still cute, still cute, still cute. Okay, you guys, I am rating these products like literally 10 out of 10. I'm not just saying that. Like, they smell amazing. My hair feels amazing. We're definitely sticking with these products. And especially if it helps my edges grow, it's a done deal. That's it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time on a new video. Bye. Oh, and I have the link for you guys down below in the description if you want to go ahead and place your orders, especially right before Christmas. Love you guys. Bye.